haven't been doing a lot of my vlogging vlogs, and it's so crazy. Like once you stop vlogging, it's kind of hard to jump back into vlogging. I don't know, it's like I get comfortable taking breaks away from the camera, and then like when I pick it up back, I need to feel that little energy to start vlogging. So I'm feeling it right now. I love fall, and I really wanted to do Vlogtober, guys, but because I've never done it before and I really wanted to, but I have so much on my plate. I don't have the time to film every day, edit every day, but I'm gonna try to vlog a lot more for October, so you guys will be getting more frequent vlogs, if that makes sense, but it's not going to be every single day. Like I cannot guarantee anybody that I'm going to be able to pick up a camera every single day and vlog. Like I can't do it, I cannot. Yeah, so this morning I'm working on breakfast. I made some egg and some sausage. I'm gonna do a bagel and put some cream cheese on it, and I'm also listening to this live service. So yeah.
But we're gonna get to the root of the thing and drive it out. Bring your sons, bring your father, bring your uncle, bring your daddy, bring your baby daddy. I know you don't speak to him no more, but send him a text. Maybe he'll pay that child support when I finish with him. Now y'all, come on, somebody. Come on. And I want all the women to be evangelists for this and encourage men to come. You can't keep saying there ain't no good men and you don't do anything to help men to grow. So I want you to be ambassadors this week to get this done. Register. We got problems, but we're blessed. We're blessed people. We're blessed. We're blessed. Somebody would love to have your problems. Father God, we lift these families up. And for those of you that might be taking prayers now, we're not just praying. I got on a phone call on COO. Medicare is already.
I'm on the pit with you. I'll handle this. Scar, there's no food, no water. Yeah, it's dinner time, and we ain't got no chicken entrees.
Hey, Webby. Good job, eat up, mama. And she is watching Lion King. She has watched Lion King. Like last night I introduced her to Lion King and she's watched it probably.
And I like it, guys.
Huh?
I like it, guys.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it now.
Oh. You see, and you didn't want to watch it at first when I was trying to introduce you to it. But look at you liking it now. I told you mommy has good taste.
Man, I'm stuffed. Me too.
I'm currently also working on homework. These are her stuff the teacher sent home this week. So, yeah.
Ever wonder what those sparkling dots are?
This is cool. Guys, please ignore how chaotic this closet looks, but it's officially time for stuff to come down. And listen guys, I know in here looks chaotic, okay? But it's time to organize, and I'm gonna be emptying the bins, taking out the fall clothes, putting up the summer clothes, so all the bright dresses and all that, it's going down. We're packing it up. Come on, let's go.
For rapper, and for Asian, until it catch me, then I go wake up.
Come here.
I like Beauty and the Beast.
Hey. Oh, okay. You like this dress?
I want
Super
to
pretty?
keep it. Yeah. I will do it again. Please. I go cry. I go put this on me. I'm crying, and I go see at the bottom where it fits.
Oh, be careful.
Okay, to me. And mine, and once this, it could be my forever and ever.
Never. You're not at. Listen. You're not at the age where you can be taking mommy clothes to wear. Okay. You literally are like Shamila. Like, this is what Shamila does. She takes stuff out of her closet I'm not ready for this. I need to call Sham. This is crazy. I need to call Sham. Because this feels like I'm living. Be careful when you fall. Talking about, wait a Sham. It literally feels like you're in my closet right now. Hear her. If this fits me, this is mine forever.
Wow. I can't believe she's already going through that phase.
Like what? That's what I'm saying. This reminds me of you. This is exactly how you would be trying on my clothes.
Real.
You know Shamila, you know Auntie Sham used to try on mommy clothes all the time and take clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was do this.
No.
Do though.
Yeah, you still do. You didn't outgrow that phase.
Oh, yeah.
That in me. What's up with real? That's so hard to tell me why. Come, Sham, sing with me. Shamila, where are you not singing?
I don't know the song.
What you mean you don't know this song? Come on, girl.
What
Yes,
you
baby.
I don't know the song.
Huh?
What did you say? In what playroom did you?
I was saying pack up the Gabby doll house stuff first, and then I will come build the house for you.
She has a
What
Gabby
about
doll.
the food?
The food too. Pack it up. I just don't want to see too many things all out at once, okay?
I didn't know Nevi was watching Gabby.
Yeah, she started. She's in her Gabby doll house phase.
Since Jamaica? She
No,
was
before.
watching that?
No, before. She started loving Gabby doll house. It's her favorite thing. And then because she said that Gabby looks like her too, because Gabby has the curly hair.
Yeah.
The curl, like Gabby is a mixed child, right?
It needs to be more, yeah.
Yeah,
It's
more.
not
She
as-
relates with that. Like any body that looks like
They
her
make their
curly
own-
hair.
I just got 2 birthdays.
2 birthdays?
Yeah, one at Daddy's house, one at Mommy's house.
Oh, she was saying that when it was her birthday party, she got 2 different parties. She said,
Granddad, I'm good
Okay,
at
wow.
flowers.
You're so special.
Yeah, and Mommy got me to paint my nails the way you did it.
No! Naughty! Take it off.
Daddy, leave her now.
Take it off. That's not good.
Yes, Granddad.
Yes, Granddad. Granddad. They're crying.
Yes, baby.
Babies cry like that.
Yes, tell Granddad only baby.
Yeah, I'm a baby. I'm a baby too.
No, you won't peel it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not a baby.
Give you and give you a princess. Guys, you know that scene from Princess Diaries? Is it Princess Diaries? Yeah, that's what I feel like. I feel like before it was all chaotic, unorganized, but now everything is organized, everything has its place, everything is all put up, and now when I want to go like to add stuff to my fall and my winter wardrobe, I can see what colors are missing from my closet. So right now I clearly see I don't have a lot of purple pieces. You see, it was a lot of black, but I love color, so I'll be adding some colored pieces this year to my wardrobe. And yeah, I still have stuff packed away, like warmer stuff, so I'll pull those out after. And then here now I have the lighter pieces that I left out, but I'll pack those up once the temperature gets extremely cold. So because my family knows I've had like a rough past days, everybody has been calling me back to back, and they've been staying on the phone with me, just cheering, catching up and all the stuff. And what am I doing basically? Now I'm in here and I'm gonna take down some of the dossier scents, like the man scents, because I ain't got a man, so I don't need to have man scents. You know what I mean? So the male scents, that whatever. So anyways, I'm going on the website so I can search to see what scent is for male, what scent is for female. Ugh, I'm tired. I'm resting my feet. I have been on my feet from morning and now it's getting later to the evening what I still got to do. I haven't gone grocery shopping as yet, and I want to do my meal prep for this week because this week is gonna be a rough week for me, and I'm just trying to prepare ahead of time. So this week starts, like, this will be my first day of court with going through this whole divorce process. So I'm gonna take out my outfits that I'll be wearing for this week, and I'm making sure I do my meal prep just because I know when I am like going through a lot, it's so easy to come home and have stuff prepped already to make things easier for me. Because so bracing myself for that, and just faith and trust in God that God will bring me through this, and one day I'll be looking back and this will all be behind me. I don't have this to deal with anymore. So yup, let's pray that we get to that point in life, because I'm so over this. But anyways guys, this week coming up, so seeing that I've changed over the closet into the fall stuff, it's a good thing because this week the temperature is actually going to drop. Temperature drops in the night, and in the days it's going to be in the 60s. So I'm going to make sure I have on proper clothing. After I do that, I'm going to pause because I have to go cook dinner, and then I'm going to tackle Neffy's closet because I have Neffy stuff to switch over. And baby girl is growing so fast, I just need to, I'm just like, oh my gosh. It's so easy for me to go through my clothes and to change out, but for Neffy it's a little harder because every time I change out the seasonal stuff and I go through the baby clothes, like I literally just saw some baby clothes in my closet that some of the pieces, like, you know, like as a mom you'll have some pieces that are like your favorite pieces that your baby used to wear, so you don't toss those, you just hold on to those. So now I'm gonna do that with Neffy, and I'm gonna see some of the stuff that she outgrew, and every time I go through clothes and there are clothes that she's outgrown, I get super emotional because I'm like, I remember I literally just hold up a 9 to 12 months clothes and I was like, you were just tiny, now you're 4-year-old in like 5-year-old clothes. Like, you know, made no sense, my baby's getting big. But guys, let's tackle this, you know. One thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get it done, okay?
All right, go ahead back upstairs, go to bed, and be gentle getting back in that bed. I don't want you to wake up your sister, okay? Okay. Night.
If you are looking for a good show, a new series, I have been enjoying this series. It's so heartwarming. It literally just, it's so nice watching the family grow, and I am enjoying this. This series is called This Is Us.
This is the best washing machine in the whole world. I'm actually...
Okay, so this is it. It's called This Is Us. I've been seeing it and I don't know why I'm sorry, I don't know why I kept putting off actually watching it, but since I've started watching it, it is literally the type of series that I love. Just, it gives me such happy vibes. Like, I love it. It's basically about a husband and wife. They had triplets, they lost one, and they adopted this black boy. And the family grew, and over the years you're basically seeing it unfold, and I just love it. I love it. Oh my gosh,
it's leaking out.
It's a very family focused, family oriented, and I love series that are like that.
We have 3 infants. We're going to be doing 6 cycles by noon.
We can do it. You wash. I'm all full.
Aww. Oh my gosh.
Maybe one day I'm gonna buy you the best washing machine in the world.
It gets dark so fast, so we gotta bring out the extra lighting because it looks like night and it's not night. Listen guys, I was just editing a video and I noticed I've had the same shirt on that I had on yesterday. I don't understand how I shower and how I put on by the same shirt. Like, it just not making sense. But you know, so one thing I've started doing, I'm not frying no more wings in any oil. Like, absolutely not. If I can do an air fryer or break, I will, because it just uses too much oil and it's just not the healthiest, you know. It's not the healthiest for the body. So I do different flavor wings for Nevi and I. A little moment. You want to help me to season? You want to help me to season the meat?
What?
You want to help me to put the seasoning on the meat?
The seeds?
Hold on, step back.
What kind of seeds?
No, I'm saying the seasoning. Come.
Oh, I do.
Alright, come. We're gonna do this one here. Do this one. Show it. Jesus! That's a lot! Oh my gosh, wait, no.
Not one of that.
Okay, yeah. Do a dab. Dab, Nevi, dab. Dab, yeah. Don't let it touch the meat though, okay? Because that will cause contamination. Just do dabs. That's right. Dab. Just dab. Just dab. Hey! 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 Hey!
Look at all, Mom. You're so good. Now we will do this one.
Yeah.
It's allowed.
Shake. There might be some in there. Shake, girl. Shake, girl. You get some out of it.
It's not
It's done. Throw it away for me, please.
Silly, Mom.
No, here.
Can I do that? I don't know.
Don't. This one you gotta shake just a little. Just a little dab. Just a little. Okay. Okay. That's enough. Oh my gosh. Oh my, no, not that one, baby. Thank you. Give me a high five. Thank you for helping me. All right. Now, out of my kitchen, girl. Woo! Out of my kitchen.